Good evening to you all. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. It's me, Ishi. Yeah. How are you all doing? I hope you are all doing well. I'm not happy. I am not happy. Not really happy at all. I am sad. I am sad because of Mazin and the current situation. I am really sad. We have talked and talked, no action from our people. They are just, I don't understand what is happening to us. I don't know what is happening to Umu Igbo. I don't understand what is going on with us at all. Hey, so sad. Really, really sad. But I know that Chukwu Okike will not fail us. Chukwu Igbo will not fail us. I know. Mazin Nandakan it's not okay. It's not doing well. And what are we doing about it? What are the Igbos doing about it? Hmm. What are the Igbos doing about Mazin Nandekano situation, condition in DSS? What are we doing about? What are the Igbos doing about it? You are all there, letting your own brother, going through pains. The governors, all these politicians, none in the Igbo land is saying anything about it. No problem. Let me play this song first before I will continue. Hope I am live already. Ah. Oh, tupu okike biko ekwena. Chineke bi n'igwe kere ekwe, bi n'igwe ekwekwara. Okay then. Good evening to you all. Good evening to you all. Good evening to you all. How are you all doing? I have I listened to this today, this evening, and I was really thank you so much, Nnamdi Algo, for correcting me. Thank you so much for the correction. I made a mistake by typing. I am not happy. I am not in a good mood. I'm not happy. I don't know what has come over our people. Mazin Nandekano is not well. Mazin Nandekano life is at stake. Mazin Nandekano life is at stake at the moment. And what are we doing about it? What are we doing about it? What are we doing about it, Ndị Igbo? So unu ga-anọ nwanne ụnụ. O mere gịnị? O mere unu gịnị dị? Kedu ihe o mere? Ke ihe o mere ndị politicians ndị Igbo? Maazị o mere unu gịnị? Na ọ gwara unu eziokwu. Na ọ gwara unu eziokwu si that na Umu Igbo need their freedom. Tell me ihe o mere. Onwedi. All that he's asking for, the freedom of my people. That is all that he was saying, nothing else. Allow my people to go. If you cannot treat my people well, if you cannot do all this to my people, allow them to go. There's nothing wrong in asking for freedom. There is nothing wrong in speaking and saying, let my people go. It did not start from him. It is freedom. Let's say agitation did not start from him. It has been there from the origin, from the beginning. What has it done wrong? Somebody is sick. You hold this man for how many for years now? You have been holding him in your detention. Allow him to go and treat himself. Your Nigerian government is still saying no, they will not allow him. They will not allow doctors. They will not take him to the hospital for them to treat him, whatever that is wrong with him. What is his fault? Can you in Nigeria? You Nigerian government, they recently now they have released a terrorist that is terrorizing people. The government is now, offering them, say, oh, we are letting you go. You guys should be free. But what is this Mazin Nandekano's fault? Why are they still holding him? And then why is the Igbos not saying anything? Can you hear me? And the Igbo politicians say, Una na-achọ ka egbuo nwanne ụnụ. Onye unu gbuo nwanne ụnụ igbuo na dike. Gbasịnụ nkịtị. Ọka ifuru ihe mee maazị, you always suffer. Ma unu bụ ndị politicians. Ka m gwa unu na unu na-exclaim na unu bụ Nigeria. Achọ maazị Nnamdi Kanu tata afụghọ. Ọ gaghị adịkwara unu bụ politicians ndị Igbo na Nigeria easy. Ọ gaghị adịrị unu easy. It will not be easy for any one of you. It will not be easy for any Igbo man. No matter how you are, how rich you are, you have known. Nigeria. I remind you, okay, small. Small can in the Nigerian. What is going on? How can a man be sick? His fundamental right, Nigerian government will not even respect his right of going for treatment, as they are holding him all these years. He's sick. He is not feeling too well. Why would they not let him go for treatment? Why would they not let him, allow his doctors, allow him to go to the hospital for treatment? Even if it's what is his offense? What has he done wrong that they cannot let him go for treatment? They want him to die. Where? They want Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to die. Atahamha. Blame ndị Nigeria gọọmenti. Gwa m na ọ bụ na onye Hausa, ọ bụ na onye Fulani, ọ bụ na onye Hausa ka eji. Gwa m ka ha amaghị ihe ha ga-eme, agaghị ejidenwu ya up to now. Onye nke dị Yoruba person eji, so ndị Igbo ndị eji last time, unu fụ ka ndị Yoruba si wee pụta wee kwuo okwu wepụta nwanne ha. Ndị Igbo, gịnị bụ ihe nke mere unu ihe nke eme? Unu abụsị na gịnị bụ ihe bụ problem unu ndị Igbo na unu aka ha fụ onwe unu n'anya? Hey! Berebe gbuo, obi agbawa m ebe Maazị Nnamdi Kanu nọ. Obi agbawa m na ndị Igbo afụghị onwe ha n'anya, na ha na-ahapụ nwanne ha. Hey! Chineke kere ụwa, biko gịnị dị ihe nka? Obi agbawa m. Nwanne unu nọ na ndị niile nọ ebe ahụ. Anegodu ahụ adịghị ya. He's not feeling too well. Ọ bụgodu na o nwere ihe o mere, ọ bụgodu na o nwere ihe o mere, nyegodi ya treatment, o nwetagodo onwe ya. Ndị Igbo na-agbasi nkịtị. Ụna niile agbasi nkịtị, politicians na-afụ na-akpọ onwe ha na ha bụ odogwu, na-atịgharị na-agbasi nkịtị. Na gịnị ka o mere? O mere gịnị? N'ihe o mere si na ụmụnne ya needed freedom. This is all. Onwe anything no mere. No go recently ndị afọ onye bụ ndị terrorist na terrorize ndị Nigeria bụrụ ndị maazị n'one ka maazị si gbuo. The Nigeria government release ha. Maazị o mere gịnị? What is going on with our people? Why ndị Igbo ka ihe unu ji wee kpọọ onwe unu asị too much? I don't know. They are denying him medical treatment. I'm going to play this. They are denying him medical treatment. He's not okay. Mazi is sick. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is very sick. They are denying him medical treatment. And nobody's talking about it. Ndị Igbo agbasi nkịtị. Unu agbasi nkịtị ka nwanne unu nwụọ. Ote ha nọ mma. Unu enwezikwara obi ndị Igbo, gịnị dị ihe nke a? Hi. Let me play this.
Good afternoon, lovers of freedom. Today is the 17th day of September 2025. We just came out from a visit to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, who is in solitary confinement at the DSS. We had a meeting with him a short while ago, and this is the message he has sent, or he has asked us to send out to the world concerning the status of his health. This is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu talking. The SSS, through their doctor, who was brought to replace another more competent doctor that actually discovered that he has a very dangerously low potassium in his bloodstream that can trigger heart failure at any time. This doctor, who is of DSS, is fully aware of the seriousness of the potassium depletion in his blood system. And yet, the DSS took samples of his blood system, his blood samples, to South Africa for analysis. The South African authority, after analyzing the blood sample, queried why the depletion of potassium in his body. the lab people in South Africa could not give any reason for the depletion of potassium in his system. The DSS facility here has also not been able to show or give reason why the depletion in potassium is consistent and persistent in his blood system. And the question Mazen Namdekano is asking is, if there is nothing wrong with him, then what is the reason for the taking of blood samples from him for almost over 50 times? Why the consistent drawing of his blood in the name of going for analysis for more than 50 times? Why is it that his potassium continues to deplete despite all the medication that the DSS have been giving to him? To Namdekano, he strongly believes that the medicines given to him by the State Security Service medical department is of no effect whatsoever. He also wants the world to know that he may have been poisoned in Kenya to the knowledge of the Nigerian authorities, but yet the Nigerian authorities choose not to give him the adequate medical treatment that he needs for his survival to face his trial. Namdekano wants us to know that since he was born, he has never suffered diabetes before, nor has he suffered anything post-frame before. But due to the depletion of the potassium in his body, so many things have started going wrong with his internal organs. His pancreas, his prostate, and so many other things. His heart, so many other things. The kidney function is not functioning at optimal level. It's Mazen Namdekano's belief that the Nigerian judiciary is seriously being intimidated by the authorities. And that is why it appears that the judiciary is not helpful to him when it comes to issues of his health. Professor Araji, Professor Emeritus, a medical doctor, who is currently leading his medical team, had deposed to affidavit stating what he found that is wrong with Mazen Namdekano and recommending that Mazen Namdekano be taken before the National Hospital, which is a federal government-owned hospital, for proper medical attention. But unfortunately, the federal government of Nigeria, through the State Security Service, have refused to see reasons why he should be taken to the National Hospital that is here in Abuja. It is interesting to know that at each point in time that Mazen Namdekano's medical checks was being conducted, the DSS will normally send 2 or more of their own in-house doctors to witness all examination. And they are fully aware of his medical condition. They are fully aware that since they kept giving him those medications they used to give him to improve his potassium, that it has not worked. His potassium continues to deplete, and this can lead to heart failure. The DSS and the federal government of Nigeria do not want Namdekano to be taken to a proper medical facility where his health can be comprehensively taken care of. Even though no court has found him guilty yet he is being punished by refusing to help in building up his health. We want to tell Nigerians that it is only a man that is alive that can stand trial for any offense whatsoever. Namdekano needs urgent medical attention. May I use this opportunity to also state that Mazen Namdekano does not want to be discharged on sympathetic grounds. He does not want to be discharged on sympathetic ground. He wants to come out from this case with all the facts laid bare to the general public. And that is why he has urged that he wants to stand his trial. He wants to stand it as a healthy man, not as a man that is dying. And he does not want to be released because he is dying. He wants his health to be properly taken care of. And we are also saying, if the federal government does not want to take care of himself, probably because of the cost, Mazen Namdekano and his supporters are offering to foot the bill of his medical health, provided he will be allowed to have proper medical attention. And we have also suggested, and we have chosen, and the Mazen Namdekano has approved, that he does not mind using the national hospital, which is owned by the federal government and in the heart of the FCT also. Thank you very much. God bless us.
Did you hear that? They finished. Did you hear that? Did you hear that? They are depriving him. They are depriving someone that is sick, that is in your custody, sick, that is sick. They are depriving him medical treatment. Where is that one done? Where in the world will you arrest somebody and you are depriving that person, his own right? That is his fundamental human right. Treatment. Go and treat yourself. Take care of him. At least you have to treat the person, even if the person committed a crime. You have to treat that person. That it is his right. Why will Nigerian government be depriving Mazen Namdekano treatment, going to the hospital for treatment? Why? What are they afraid of? What is wrong with this country called Nigeria? What kind of a country did we even say that we find ourselves into? So what kind of a country is Nigeria? I can't understand what is. Sometimes when I think some things about Nigeria, I kind of like I said, is this where human being lives? Human being lives in this country, this kind of place they call country. Where is that one done? Somebody is sick. Mazen Namdekano, you have hold him how many years now? He is not feeling too well. His organs are failing him. Allow him to go for treatment. Allow the doctors to treat him. Allow him to go to the hospital for them to treat him. You are giving him medication. What kind of medication are you giving him? What kind of stupid medication are Nigerian government giving him? So they want Mazen Namdekano not to leave. So what will be the benefit of him? They want him not to leave so that that is exactly what they're looking for. I won't blame them. I'm blaming my own people. I'm blaming the people that call them the Igbos, the elite, and those that say that they are the elite, the Igbo people, the Kabal, they will not speak. They will not say something. You guys are there letting Nigerian government. If Mazen Namdekano, for example, is from North. With this, we did continue to hold him up to now. They will not hold him up to now. Assuming he is from North or from Yoruba land, this will not. Look at Sunday Igbo released. What is Mazen Namdekano offense? What is his offense? That Nigerian government will release Boko Haram, will release terrorists. They are calling bandits. Instead of them to call them bandits, they're calling terrorists, they're calling them bandits. They will release them and they will offer them all the benefits, whatever they're offering them. But Mazen Namdekano, that they did not do anything. Everything he told Nigeria, that Nigeria is not a country, is really happening. Allow him to go. They said they refuse. They have judged him. They said he is innocent. They should let him go. Still, they will not let him go because they're afraid. I don't know what is wrong with them. 2027 election, they don't want him to go. They're afraid 2027 he's going to come out. He's going to be saying whatever. They don't want him to speak. So they are holding him. I won't blame them. I blame the place where I find I blame my tribe. I blame the Igbos. I don't blame Nigerian government. I blame the Igbos because they know that they are just toothless bulldog. All the men, what they are good at is talk, nothing. Claiming that we are men. claiming we are men, we are men, we are men. Ihe ruo ihe nwoke anyị eme ihe nwoke, that we are not seeing them. Anyị anaghị afụ ha. Ihe ụnụ na-abụ ịdị na-ekwu na anyị bụ ụmụ nwoke, ka ebe unu bụdo ụmụ nwoke fọ, ka ụmụ nwoke unu bụdị fọ, ka ihe unu na-akọwa dị na unu bụ ụmụ nwoke fọ. Nekodu maazị nna nwanne unu ka unu na-ahapụ ka gịnị mee? So unu achọghọ ka ọ dị ndụ, unu chọrọ ka ọ nwụọ. Ai, Chineke mee ebere. Ihe mee maazị Nnamdi Kanu kọọsụ ka ndị Igbo ya eburu. I am telling you, ndị Igbo ga-abụ kọọsụ forever. Makịkwanụ ya o, mark ya na somewhere. Ndị niile ama all those stupid people, ma ndị nke a na-akpọ Uchemefo, ma ndị nke a na-akpọ Ijele, ha niile na-ekpe ekpere sị ka maazị ọ ga-eputucha unu niile, unu agaghịkwa adị ndụ, unu na onwe unu ka anwụ. Nobody will live forever. All of you continue be wishing him evil, be wishing your brother that doesn't wish you evil. All he wishes is for your people, his people's freedom. Now, since he said he's not doing it right, where are you all? Where is Uchemefo? Where is all of you that are claiming he didn't do it right? Why can't you lead us and get us Biafra? He has not been there for going to 5 good years now. Why can't you? Where is the one carrying what is it called? 5. What is the name of Tony Nadi? All of you that was criticizing and condemning him then. Why can't you guys? We haven't been seeing anything you guys have been doing since they are kidnapping Maz. You guys have all hidden. But once he come out now, all of you will come out. Where is Uchemefo? Uchemefo is there talking rubbish, abusing him, calling him name, saying all manner of things, telling that na Kebuoya. And he one negi ibro dike. Uchemefo. Ngina Mazi bido korofuma. Ngini ya bido. Egbuo ya iburu gịnị dike na-aṅụ ọṅụ unu niile ma Ijele ọlọfụna nsogbu adịghị. Mekọna dị happy ka unu na-adị happy na ahụ adịghị ya, ya na happy na-akpụ na-ewishi ya ka ọ nwụọ. Nwoke mmadụ mere gịnị ka ihe bụ fault ya na ọ pụtara kefuru maazị nnọkọta n'ụwa bụ na maazị anọzi enweghị onye ọbụla apụtara na ọ na fight for freedom. Chineke akpọ unu niile ọkụ ka ngwa ụlọ. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ọ bụrụ na achọọ ya fụọ tata, onye ọbụla apụtara n'osi na ọ na-ekwu okwu Biafra, Chineke akpọ unu ọkụ. Ndị Igbo unu ya nọ na Naịjirịa nwụọ taa afụfụ forever. Kefuru unu nwee ihe ga-eme ka enwekwa onye ga-apụta again si na ọ na fight anyị for freedom. Onye nke pụtara apụta gịnị mere? What is all why are you guys so mean and wicked? Ka ihe mere nụ na-afụghị onwe unu n'anya? Ka ihe mere nụ? Ka ihe Maazị Nnamdi Kanu mere? Nigerian government will not even respect somebody's rights. Look at recently, I had a woman. That woman is the lawyer, the one that said Maazị Nnamdi Kanu should be free. What is her name? The Yoruba woman. She said that they went to a place, Nigeria, the court, whatever, I can't remember what she's mentioned. He said Nigeria is nowhere to be found because they cannot respect rights, people's right, fundamental right of citizens. They are not anywhere. And you tell me that this is a country that cannot let somebody go and treat you as somebody that is sick at the hospital. You are holding him. Allow him to go for treatment. Allow him to go treat himself. I thought you say you are charging him for whatever, and he's sick. Why can't you allow him to go treat himself? Why are you afraid of him going to treat himself? Is it when try? Is it when it's not alive anymore? That is what you guys want. When I nna nna anyị ha ndị ancestors anyị ndị mbụ na nga egede biko na unu ekwe na unu etinye na Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ifere n'ihu. Biko na unu ekwekwa na unu akwa anyị, biko na unu ekwe na akwa anyị mesi unu n'obi. Ihe niile ha na plan, they just want this, they just want to these people have poisoned this man. Hey, nigga, poison ha nyere ya since ojere emere abduct from Kenya. Hi, ka ihe na-emedi ndị Igbo, ka ihe mere unu bụ ndị Igbo. Gịnị bụ ya problem? What is wrong with Igbo people? What is wrong with you all? Ndị Igbo, gịnị bụ nsogbu unu? Ọ gịnị bụ nsogbu unu? Chineke kere ụwa. ndị a na-ekwusi na-ekwu okwu na-ekwutesi ndị Igbo. Chineke nkwa na ọjọọ afụbeghị m ndị dịka ndị Igbo, afụbeghị m ego ụwa. Ego na-eji ego wee ree nwanne ụlọ, na-ewee lee nwanne ụlọ na ọ nọrọ sisi na-ata afụfụ. Ọ na-ata afụfụ. Nobody, all of you are all heartless and evil. All these politicians in Southeast, they are all heartless and evil. None of them is saying, release Mazi Nnamdi, let him go. None of you are doing this to Nigeria. There's something I know you can do for them to release Mazi. None of you saying anything for him to be free. None of you are saying anything for him to be free. All you cares about yourself. Look at it. You had it now. He's not feeling too well. He is sick. Ọ na-ewutekwa unu n'obi. Afụfụ nwanne unu na-ata, ọ na-ewutekwa unu n'obi. Ọ gịnị dị unu ihe nke ndị Igbo mere unu ihe nke eme? Unu abụrụ ndị abụrụ ọnụ. Abụrụ unu ọnụ ndị Igbo, abụrụ unu ọnụ. Fiakwa. O Chukwu okike kere ụwa. Obinigwe ekwekwana etinyekwana Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ifere n'ihu. Etinyekwana ihe niile ndị ajọ mmadụ, ndị food plan niile ha plan n'isi ya. Chineke ekwana ka ọrịa. Obinigwe biko ekwana ka ọrịa. Chineke kere ụwa biko ana m ayọ gị. Come on, treatment. Nigeria government are refusing to let him go and treat himself because because gịnị ka unu ga-emekwa? Ha afụgo na enweghị onye afụrụ. Onye ka afụrụ n'ala Igbo? O nwere onye afụrụ? None. Look at us. Look at the freedom. Look at IPOP. Look at everywhere fight. Look at everybody fight. There's no unity. Tell me. Kwasị na agbakọ nyụọ mamịrị ọgba ụfụfụ. Agbakọta ọnụ nyụọ mamịrị ọgba ụfụfụ. They have done Nigeria. What do you expect? When you game? Nothing. When they make noise online na bamba. Nothing. You guys will do nothing. Chineke kere ụwa. Maazị marakwa nnọọ ka ị nọrọ onwe gị. For no come out. If you not come to fight, if you just stay, let ndị Igbo taba afụfụ. This is what we deserve. You couldn't have even tried to come out to say you are fighting for Igbos to be free. You should have just stayed in your life. Enjoy yourself. We are in England. One on Oreba. You need to know obodo Igbo. It's better. The golden day potaraki fight. Look at everywhere. Fighting and quarreling and no unity. Nothing. Tell me. Did they deserve you? Did these people deserve Mazi coming out to fight for them? They don't. They don't deserve it. Our Igbo people don't deserve it. All they care about is themselves. Very selfish and very, very selfish people. They are very selfish. They don't care about others. It's all it's about themselves, their money, their business. That's all they care about. Tell me, Sunday, but where is he today? Look at the terrorists. Look at them, the terrorists in northern part of Nigeria. The Nigerian government, they are now doing handshake with the terrorists, shaking hands, eating with them. These people have eliminated a lot of people. These people have murdered, they have killed, they have destroyed, but they let them go. What is the mass and the kind of offense that even Nigerian government, for how many times now? 2 times they've called, say, allow him, let him go. Free him. We didn't see him commit any crime. What he said, what he's doing is a fundamental human right. It is his right. It is our right to say, you are not happy where you are, you need to leave. You need to ask for freedom. It is our right. Did he commit any crime? What is his offense? What did he do? If your court can rule 2 times and say he should be free, that means he's a free man. He should be a free man. But they are holding him in their DSS custody. And now they are depriving him not to go for treatment. They are depriving him because they want him die. Actually, Igbo ya. Enweghị ihe ọzọ. Nigerian government want to kill Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. It is their mission. They want to. They have seen that no one abụghị mmadụ. Onwe ihe ndị ya ekwuru unu. Ndị Igbo enweghị ndị ya ekwuru ha. So they want him gone. Igbo people don't have anybody. They are just noise makers, online noise makers, talking. They have nothing, no ball. They can't move nothing. Ihe adịm ya bụ okwu ekwuru ebe ekwuruchiri ebe a na-anụgharị ọgụ na-ezuzugharị ọgụ na-akụ irigharị onye n'otu mmanya. Nsogbu adịghị. Hapụnụ, nọrọnụ, enugo, nọrọnụ, no problem. Si n'ike gwa nwanne unu nwoke. Nobody want to talk about it. Nobody is saying anything. The politicians are saying nothing because no better ka ọ tabiri unu omeji unu. Ọ tabiri ndị bụ ndị chọọchị omeji ha because ọ sị ndị chọọchị that na unu na-agụgbu ndị be anyị. Ọ tabiri ndị politicians omeji ha because na ọ gwara unu na unu ihe unu na-eme na o kwesịghị ekwe. Look at nke a na-akpọ Soludo. So look at what Soludo is doing. Look at it. Look at Hope Uzodinjo. The only one now that linkage okwu bụ nke from Abia State. Look at what is the offense? He only say that whatever that this Nigeria that we are in is not favorable to us. That Nigeria is not for us. Nigeria is a fake country amalgamated together. It doesn't work. It's not going to work. It's not working. Why can't you give referendum? Why can't you let us go? What is wrong? Somebody asking for freedom. Is there anything? Other country, other people did it. Normal people did it. Then today now he's not feeling too well. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is sick. And what are you guys doing about it? Nothing. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is sick. And what he's doing about it? Nothing. They have nothing. They are all there. Onye ọbụla kwuru okwu ha fire. Onye ọbụla kwuru okwu ha akọba onye ahụ ọnụ. They will be fighting in this person online. Onye ọbụla asị na ihe ahụ na-eme adịghị mma. That person is a bad person. Say sabo. That is what you guys are doing. How do we move forward? You don't move forward. Do we move forward this way you are doing? I wish if Mazi Nnamdi Kanu Chineke ga-eme ebere ọpụta, I wish he would just go and rest because you guys don't deserve him. You don't deserve a person like him. Ndị Igbo deserve ihe ọma. Ndị Igbo, kịta aka m fụrụ na abụghị ezigbo mmadụ. Mma na-agwụ na ya because mụ abụ onye Igbo. Ka ihe bụ ihe nke a? How will you guys let your brother down? And now your Nigerian government happier go get treatment. Do you think the international community will come for your aid? Who are you looking for? Why are you waiting for them? They will never come for your aid because they are the one that put you where you are. Because they said it. If Biafra goes, how can they let you be free? They have fight their freedom. They will not fight it with truthfulness, sincerity, equity, and stop doing evil to our people. No, they will not. All they do is I don't know. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I don't know. I first, when I heard these people talking about it, I said, you mean that Mazi is so sick like this? And then our people are doing nothing about it. And our people are there. Look at everywhere, it's quiet. Everywhere. Nobody's saying anything about him. Nobody cares about him. So you guys want him dead. You guys don't want him to be alive. He lost his mother. He lost his father. Just for the sake of this freedom. No, we are happy to fight back for Ndị Igbo. It could have been better. But he thought he can do it. He just because of love, love, sacrifice, love. But I believe that na Chineke agaghị ekwe ka Mazi nwụọ. Chukwu okike agaghị ekwe. Obinigwe agaghị ekwe. Ekekere ụwa biko ekwena. Ndị ojibi ụwa biko ekwena, ana m ayọ unu. Biko unu ekwekwana ka Mazi anything mee ya. Biko chi Umu Igbo biko ekwena. Ekwekwana Chukwu Igbo ekwena. When ihe o mere, he's only asking for his people's freedom. The injustice of Ndị Igbo in Nigeria is unbelievable. The injustice, the people that know that the injustice, they don't even care. They don't even care. Who is talking about mass release in Nigeria? Who is talking about it? The prominent Igbo people, where are they? Where are you all? Where are you all? Ndị ọnụ dị n'okwu na ebe ka unu nọ? Unu na-ebe unu na-achị ọchịchị chugbukwa n'onwe ụlọ. Onye ndị ka unu na-achịde? Evil people everywhere, wicked and heartless leaders, wicked and heartless Southeast politicians. They don't care. Look at Soludo. Look at the way his son is. Nwa nwoke nọzi ebe ni na-ezuzugharị. Ihe nke ahụ pụtara bụ ọ na-achụgharị ndị dibịa here na ndị ya kwu ha chụgharị ndị na-eme ihe ka o kwesịrị ekwesị. Mba, look at nke a na-akpọ Hope Uzodinjo. Ke nke anyị ga-eji wee kwuo okwu na anyị nwere asị ndị na-ekwuru ndị Igbo. Ke ndị na-ekwudiri ndị Igbo nwe ndị na-ekwuru anyị. Onye na-ewishi ya ivu wishi benia ivu, ọ ga-epute onye ipute onye ahụ. Kefuru unu niile. Nigeria can name on. Don't worry, Nigeria will happen to all of you all, and it's happening to you all. Nigeria, all of you ndị Igbo channel mega arrive. You have arrived. Channel mega arrive. Nigeria must happen to all of you, one after another. Okay, Nigeria must happen to you all. For what? Why will I pity you? I can't. I can't believe this. I can't believe this. Begging Nigeria government to release him, to let him out and can go for treatment. This is his right. He need to go for treatment. Why would they not let him go and treat himself? Even if Mazib is a terrorist, why wouldn't even a terrorist self and they will allow a terrorist to go for treatment? Why is his own different? Even if Mazi is a terrorist, and so what? Why would he not? Why would they not let the doctors? Why would they not let him go to the hospital? Why would they not do that? Because all Umu Igbo. Because the injustice of the Igbos. One Nigeria is just a fake. How can I support fake country called one Nigeria? If it's an Igbo man, Nigerians will come or nobody. They will all say, yes, hold the Igbo man. Destroy Igbo man. It doesn't make you. Why will Igbo man be free? But if it's Hausa man, if it's Yoruba man, he will be free. But Igbo man, no, will not. And you are telling me that one Nigeria, we should be one. One Nigeria, my food. How can we be one people? How can we be one people? What is Mazin the kind of offense? Mazin, can you release you guys release all these terrorists? You have released them. Give them amnesty. But Mazin he doesn't even deserve. He didn't do anything. You are all there witnessing everything he said about Nigeria is happening to Nigeria. It's happening in Nigeria. Recently, Nigeria is saying that you guys should come and be Chinese. Chinese has come to colonize you. Chinese again. England has colonized you. Portugal, Italy. All of them now is China. Europeans have done their own. US have done. It's not China. China is going to colonize you now. You guys will say you guys no my hair. Look at China. You guys will be speaking Chinese in your schools. Look at the country you are so proud of, speaking Chinese in your schools. Will China speak Yoruba or Igbo or Hausa in the school? It will not happen because we are all so dumb and useless. In the COG, black people, fear, God forbid. I haven't seen people like in the COG. They hate themselves more than anything. Please, Nigeria government, allow Mazen Kanu to go and treat himself. Allow him. It is his fundamental human right. You cannot deprive somebody his right of treatment. It's not done anywhere. It's not done. Why? Why would they not let him go and why would they not let him treat himself? Why would they deprive him of that? And the international community, nobody's talking about it. Nobody cares because this is it. They are all to this together with Nigerian government to hold him because they don't want for Biafra people to be free. Look at what this one said. They don't want to free. So, and the Biafras are not happy, and the Igbos are not helping themselves. The Igbos are not helping themselves at all. How can they help themselves? No, they don't mind. They are just there doing their business, getting money, whatever will be, will be. They don't care. But ndị Igbo unu ga-ata afụ ka ife ihe ọbụla mee maazị nke a gbasara ụnụ ka ifu nke unu na-eme nke a bọda afụ ndị Naijiria ha ga-echikacha unu ọnụ ha ga-emegide unu na na-asị gịnị ka unu mere n'ụwa. Hapụnụ ka ihe mee maazị ma unu nwa bụ ndị politishans unu niile onwe unu ihe nwa ọnụ na Naijiria. No worry, let maazị ihe ọbụla mee ya. Hapụnụ ọ na ebe ahụ. Hapụnụ okwu unu che na ọtọ ya. No, don't talk about him. Don't talk about his release. Somebody that is sick, oh, they will not let him go. Look at somebody. Look at this guy. Look at a very dark man. This is the very dark man. Saying how many Igbo celebrities talking about Maz? How many?
You know what the problem is? You say okay, reasonable offense. It was encouraging crime. It was encouraging terrorism and all. This is where they encourage different from who buy. This one where buy they give am this deal. But the one where you claim say you do reasonable offense.
Did you see that?
Oh. So why is the man there?
Oh.
What's really going on in Nigeria, bro? That terrorists are being encouraged with a peace deal?
That's him. This guy now is not Igbo person. They're speaking about Mas Nankam. But all these people, they call themselves celebrity of Igbo. How many of them have spoken? None.
These people don't take over the north. Terrorize the full north.
Oh. Did the Mas terrorize the east, southeast? Look at it.
In the house of these people, they don't have peace. So tomorrow now you give him a peace deal? Because I already heard. Now don't send one imam go inside bush. People follow them to the door.
And the Biafrans are not happy. And Igbos are not happy. I don't know. I don't know. I'm so disappointed that I am Igbo person. I'm telling you, I'm so disappointed. Very, very disappointed. I'm from Igbo. I'm very, very disappointed. One Nigeria is a fake. I can never support the fake Nigerian government. I can never. But what are we talking about? In Nigeria. Hey! Yeah, look at this one. Look at what this one said. Look at the Biafra. The Biafra nation cannot be allowed to be. Cannot be allowed to be, for we do not trust what they will become with their vast resources around the world. The Russia of France. Who said it? It's from England. Harold Wilson, UK former Prime Minister. Harold Wilson. He said it. And the Igbos are not helping themselves. What is the point in me coming to be killing myself over what? Look at it. I disagree. All I know is my own is whatever I know I'm going to do. I don't even know what to do at a stand so for Mazen release, but so Chukwu ka no n'aka na yozi emebere. Because in Nigeria, ndị Igbo, they don't want to wake up. Somebody is sick, they don't want to take the person. They say, no, don't take him to the hospital. They are treating him at their DSS. They don't even know what is wrong with him for them to go and treat him. They want him to die. Ndị Igbo, where are you? Ndị Igbo na-etetakwa n'ụla. Maazị Nnamdi life is at stake. What are you going to do? Nothing. All you do is to shout, talk. Baba na ego, baba na ego. Sinike. Na na-akpa ego. Inugo, time yiru mgbe ego unu ahụ nwere. If anything happen to Maazị, time ga-eru ego ahụ unu na-akpa. Unu ya na-ayọzi na-asị nchọtụ a na-asị unu tọd na unu bụ tọd gịnị unu citizen unu ga-abụzi amam ihe na unu ga-abụ the 7th. Ife ihe ọbụla mee Maazị, ndị Igbo unu ga-atagide afụfụ. Unu ga-atagide afụfụ wee sị gịnị ka ya unu atagide afụfụ na-asị ka ihe unu mere. No worry. Jisi n'ike. Ọpụkwa n'ụlọ nọkwasị there since all this one. All of una where they condemn and where they say they do better, do am well. All since all you know na prison now, all of than DSS. And we don't see anybody where could come give us freedom. We will come do am better than the mass. We don't see. But you guys will be there pre-pointing, telling him Maaz Nakano did no problem. You see, Nike. All I know is that if you like, don't wake up. Let us stay and let Nigerian government do this and allow your brother to be suffering and die. Okay, I am done. I'm not gonna stay there. They talk rubbish. Imagine, look at Boko Haram release, look at the terrorist people release, but Mazi Nakan that they did not do nothing to Nigeria government. He did not even nothing. They are holding him, and there are people. He said they say he's sick. Instead of them to take him to the hospital for him to treat himself, Nigerian government is saying they are not going to take him to the hospital. What for? Why? Because Ham and Unu the weak, the weaklings, the Igbo here. If not, ọ bụ na ọ bụ ndị Fulani ma onye Hausa ka Maazị Nnamdi onye ka ndị Nigeria gọọmenti bụ ha ihe eji si ya ha ihe eji wee release ya ma ọ si ya ji ụlọ ọgwụ. What is the name of that one time, the one in Kaduna? Did they not release him? Did they not take him to the hospital? They did. Shaquille, I can't remember the name of that man. I can't remember that man again. It's one of those from Kaduna. I think it's Kaduna or that the Nigerian government arrested during the time of Bugari. Did they not release him? No worry. Look at the way they are praising, they are releasing terrorists. But Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they are holding him. Release him. How many times did they say, let him go? Still nothing is happening. And still in the Igbo, just quiet. Everywhere quiet. Everywhere quiet. They are not speaking. They are not doing nothing. Everybody is quiet. For what? I beg. Night, I don't want to talk. I'm so sad. I am so sad. Really, really sad. Really sad. Hey! Ah! Yeah, Mary. My dear, thank you so much for watching. Good night. I don't